Are you over 50 and noticing your blood sugar creeping up even when you eat pretty healthy? Or maybe your energy crashes after meals, you feel sleepy in the afternoon, or your doctor says you're borderline. Here's something most people don't realize. After 50, your body processes sugar very differently, and one common daily habit could be making it worse without you even knowing. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to change, when to do it, and the simple routine that can help stabilize blood sugar naturally. First, let's understand why blood sugar becomes more sensitive after 50. As we age, muscle mass naturally declines. Muscle is one of the main places your body stores and uses glucose. Less muscle means sugar stays in your bloodstream longer. At the same time, insulin sensitivity decreases. That means your cells don't respond to insulin as efficiently as they once did. The result, higher fasting numbers, stronger spikes after meals, and more fatigue. But here's the good news. Small, consistent habits can dramatically improve how your body handles sugar. And one of them works within minutes. There's a 10-minute habit you can do after meals that significantly lowers blood sugar spikes. But before we get to that, there's something even more important to fix first. Let's start with food timing. Many people over 50 skip breakfast, then eat large meals later in the day, or they snack constantly from morning to night. Both patterns can keep insulin high for too long. Instead, aim for balanced meals spaced 4 to 5 hours apart. Each meal should include lean protein, healthy fats, fiber-rich carbohydrates. This combination slows digestion and prevents sharp glucose spikes. For example, grilled chicken, vegetables, and quinoa, or eggs with avocado and whole grain toast. It's not about cutting carbs completely, it's about pairing them correctly. But here's the mistake that silently raises blood sugar even when meals look healthy. It has nothing to do with sugar itself. And that is liquid calories. Fruit juices, sweetened coffee drinks, flavored yogurts, even healthy smoothies can spike blood sugar faster than dessert. When fiber is removed or sugar is concentrated in liquid form, glucose enters your bloodstream rapidly. If you enjoy smoothies, keep the whole fruit, add protein like Greek yogurt or protein powder, and include healthy fats such as chia seeds or nut butter. And when possible, choose water, herbal tea, or black coffee instead of sugary beverages. That is walking after meals. Just 10 to 15 minutes of light walking after eating helps your muscles use glucose for energy, instead of letting it stay in your bloodstream. You don't need a gym. You don't need speed. You just need movement. Even walking around your house counts. Research consistently shows that post-meal walking reduces blood sugar spikes more effectively than one long walk later in the day. This simple habit can be a game changer. But food and walking aren't the only factors. There's another hidden driver of high blood sugar that most people overlook completely, and that is sleep. Poor sleep increases insulin resistance. Even one night of short sleep can raise fasting glucose the next morning. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of consistent sleep. Keep your bedroom dark and cool. Avoid heavy meals and screens right before bed. When your sleep improves, your blood sugar control often improves with it. And here's something surprising. Stress directly raises blood sugar. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol. Cortisol signals your liver to release stored glucose into your bloodstream, preparing you for fight or flight. But if you're not physically running from danger, that extra glucose just circulates. Daily stress management matters. Deep breathing, time outdoors, gentle stretching, quiet moments without screens. A calm mind makes steadier glucose. Now let's cover 3 common mistakes people make when trying to lower blood sugar naturally. The second one is extremely common. Mistake number 1, cutting all carbohydrates. Extremely low-carb diets can work short-term, but they're often hard to sustain, and when carbs return, blood sugar can spike even higher. Focus on quality, not elimination. Mistake number 2, over-snacking on healthy foods. Nuts, dried fruit, protein bars, they add up quickly. Constant grazing keeps insulin elevated all day. Mistake number 3, ignoring strength training. After 50, building muscle is one of the most powerful tools for blood sugar control. Even 2 sessions per week can improve insulin sensitivity. There are also natural nutrients that may support healthy glucose levels, but they're not magic solutions. Foods rich in magnesium, such as leafy greens and nuts, support insulin function. Cinnamon may help improve insulin sensitivity in some people. Apple cider vinegar before meals may reduce post-meal spikes for certain individuals. But these work best when combined with proper diet and movement, not instead of them. And always speak with a healthcare professional before making major changes, especially if you're on medication. Controlling blood sugar after 50 isn't about extreme diets. It's not about fear, and it's not about perfection. It's about balanced meals, walking after eatings, protecting sleep, managing stress, building muscle, Blood sugar doesn't rise overnight and it won't improve overnight either. But with consistency, your body can respond remarkably well. Start tomorrow. Build one balanced meal. Take one 10-minute walk after eating. Go to bed 30 minutes earlier. Simple, sustainable, and powerful.